Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Students, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Dear. Many times we have done this sample paper
Yes, ma'am.
comprehensions. We've done many times, children. But I don't know what is the status of your writing section. As you all know, we are starting with our exam. One more class we have after this, and then you'll have your Diwali break, and then followed by your exams.
Ma'am, we will
Date
have
sheet is
Diwali
shared
break
with
from
all of
13th.
you. Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, we will have Diwali break from 13th.
Most probably it is from 13th to 16th. So if
Ma'am, on
we go,
Dhanteras there is no holiday.
Anji,
On Dhanteras there is no holiday.
I think 13th also I'm not sure. I'm just saying most probably. Maybe 14th to 16th or 13th to 16th. We are expecting it to be 13th to 16th, but we never know. Maybe 14th to 16th also. Anyways, this is the last week. Then next week you have what? After that you've got your exams only. When are your exams starting?
20.
Huh, 20th. You already got your date sheet.
Yes, ma'am.
The sitting arrangement and the timings would be shared with you very soon before Diwali so that you know what time you need to report. So accordingly,
Ma'am, please break 13 holiday, ma'am.
beta obviously we also want it should be a holiday. Let's see. Let's wait for the official instructions.
No, as ma'am,
Though
the
I
three
feel
holidays are
most
arising
probably
on Sunday.
mm, Sunday, Diwali is Sunday, I suppose.
No, on Saturday.
Acha, 14th November. This time to double. Children's Day also, Diwali also, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Double celebration you people have.
No,
You have
ma'am.
Children's Day.
One
No,
Why?
ma'am.
Why
one
no, ma'am?
holiday.
Double
Because
celebration.
One holiday got occupied.
14 November wala.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. And ma'am, the Dashera also was on Sunday.
The Shera, yes, the Shera was on
As
Sunday.
on 15th also there is Sunday.
15th what? Acha,
Ma'am,
yes, the middle one, yes, after Diwali that we have.
Ma'am, it's 2020.
Hmm.
Anything can happen.
Hmm. But you can study now and then enjoy your festival. Aram se, then after that you can have your exams. So you can
yes,
study
ma'am.
now only so that before the festival starts, festivities, you are done with your revisions. Will you study during
Yes,
holidays and
ma'am.
the festivals?
Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am. In night, sometime.
Okay, you will study. Oh God, very good children. It's better now. You study now and then enjoy your festival.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
what we will do them on that day?
On which day? Festival day.
Diwali.
Diwali.
Yes, ma'am. We,
Diwali, what will you do? What are you planning to do? Tell.
ma'am, I don't burst crackers, ma'am, and there will be, ma'am, puja only
You
that I
don't
will
burst.
do.
You don't burst crackers. You're a good child. So, what do you do then on Diwali?
Just sit and sleep.
Ma'am, greet each other.
SMS messages, WhatsApp calls. That's what you do.
Ma'am, I
This is
don't
how
have
you
my
greet each
personal
other, or
phone.
you go to your friend's house?
Ma'am, greeting each other,
They
going to one
greeting
place
to
another.
Ma'am,
each other.
greeting each
How?
other, ma'am, completes in 1 minute, ma'am. Send WhatsApp to everyone.
Acha, acha. Okay. Greeting means which kind of greeting? Going to your friend's house
Ma'am,
or
going to
phone
house.
only? Going to house. That is it, no? So that will to take time now. Priyansh is saying nothing to do on Diwali. Go to your friend's house. Or you have a football match that day? Day-night match.
Ma'am, that, ma'am, most maximum 2 hours, 1 hour, ma'am.
Arey, what kind of a child are you? No excitement about festivals at this age only. What will you do when you'll grow up? Help your mother to clean the house.
That everyone has to do.
That everyone has to do. That means your light has also come out. Hmm? So what is wrong? Good, na? If you're helping your mother, everybody else. I hope that is not the reason why you're coming for classes.
That will also take only 1 day, ma'am. Next 2 days, what we will do?
Okay, then we'll have classes. Shreyansh is saying he's got nothing to
No,
do.
ma'am, we will do self-study, ma'am.
No, no, no. Now I'll request principal sir that since children are saying they'll
Ma'am,
get
special
bored, they
classes
were,
for Sriyansh.
huh, he has nothing to do. He's saying he'll get bored. So let's have classes only for Shreyansh. Shreyansh, which subject classes should I put? Tell me.
Ma'am, video games.
Video game classes. Acha, बहुत smart. Chalo, let me see now how confident you are about writing section since you've joined the class very quickly. We've already done comprehension many times. Here it is. So I have discussed this many times. Now very quickly I want you to do the writing section, children. I don't know how you remember or you've forgotten everything. Long back we did it. Hmm, let's start writing. Those who have joined, you have to write. There's no option now. You have to write and post on the group so that I can find your mistakes. Where is the writing section? There it is. Wait. Do you remember? Here it is. There's a choice in the first and this first question. Read both of them. Tell me which one you will attempt.
Ma'am, I have attempted first one, ma'am. Now I will do second one.
Then you don't do the or one, Shranch. You go for this one, the
Ma'am, I
second
have
one.
done this one also, ma'am. Dr.
So take a
Stanton one.
choice. Take a choice. Do anyone. You do this one then. Others have a choice. You do this one. This time in exams, but if you lose marks on format, na, you wait and see. All of you.
Ma'am, me?
Chalo. Not you. I'm saying all of you. Why only you will I say? I'm telling everyone the same thing. Yesterday, did you come for class? Hmm.
Ma'am,
Did you
which
come for the
class?
topper batch? Topper batch
Ma'am,
yesterday, did you
me?
come?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
me? Ma'am,
Yes.
I must be sleeping.
Sleeping. Yesterday there was no topper batch only, so you don't even know this much. That means you were
Yes,
sleeping.
ma'am.
Hanji. Chaliye, which ones? Come on, children. Let me see first who all are there. Others must have run away.
Ma'am, DK.
Abhay, Shreyansh, Abhay, Dhruv. Dhruv must have gone by now. He cannot stay so long. Dhruv
No, ma'am,
Khandelwal,
he's
are you
there,
there?
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh God. Today to he's broken my myth. Kirat must be there. Shreyansh is there. Ananya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students. And I want 5 writings on the group. Your time starts now. Once you finish, raise your hand. I'll understand that you finish. I'll go on the WhatsApp group and check. Write immediately and post. I'm waiting for you. Chalo, jaldi. We'll keep talking later. Just one writing section, finish it.
Ma'am, we have already done this one.
Beta, you must have done it in the toppers batch. One part you must have done. Now do the or one, the other one. These children have not done. Topper batch you people have done. So the other one, the other part that you have as a choice, you attempt that part. Whoever finishes, raise your hand so that I know you posted on the group.
Ma'am, we have to post it on the group.
Yes, Beta, when you post on the group, I'll see, I'll read, I'll tell you what is wrong. Let's hope nothing is wrong.
Can you send personally?
अरे बेटा पर्सनली करेंगे तो एक दूसरे की गलती देखेंगे तो इम्प्रूव करेंगे ना. We learn by mistakes. So if Shreyansh does a mistake and I point it out, you will also learn. If you do a mistake, he will also learn. So it is learning. Hurry up, it's entirely your choice. Everything is on the screen. Whichever you want to perform, you perform. The only way I would know is once you finish, raise your hands.
Ma'am, I have posted.
Beta, are you saying something?
Ma'am, posted on the group.
Very good. So soon, very quick. Let me check. Okay, children, let us all go on the group and see what he has posted. Hurry up, hurry up. And start finding mistakes. Chalo, all of you stop writing. Start finding mistakes now. I will also find, you also find. So that next time, he does not do any mistake. See what Abhay has written, children, start. Notice, mental health. Oh my God, there's a mistake. What is the mistake, children, tell?
Ma'am, date.
Speak out.
Ma'am,
What is the
ma'am,
mistake? Yes.
ma'am, first of all, date should be on the left hand side.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
That is the first thing I also saw. Abhay, better keep listening, huh? The date should be on the left hand side.
Ma'am,
Too good. Agi,
ma'am,
continue.
there is the date written in proper
and
manner.
ma'am, he has used an informal language. Ma'am, he has written, "Hey guys."
Oh my God. And it is not Nov. It has to be November. The entire month, pura. It's a formal writing, beta. Notice is something formal. It's not informal.
Okay,
Notice
ma'am.
always comes in formal writing. So don't write Nov, write November. Then put a comma. That's okay. Write it on the left side. Hey guys, nahi bache. No.
Okay, ma'am.
There is a
The
good
name of school.
there is a good news for you. We have decided to organize a workshop to raise awareness about the importance of mental health. The workshop would be conducted by the school counselor in the school campus. You have not mentioned where in the school campus. What is the venue? No date, no venue. Bacha, it is
Ma'am, where is?
incomplete. Who is about who should attend? Which class to which class students are supposed to attend? There is no information in this notice, Abhay.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, batao what date it is, where it is going to be held, what is the time, and who are the eligible people. This is to inform you all that the school is conducting a workshop on mental health. The main speaker would be the school counselor. Students from class 9 to 12 can participate in this workshop. Okay, it would be conducted on 25th January at 3, whatever time you want to give, that's entirely your choice, in the school amphitheater, school auditorium, lecture room, whatever. Venue, date, time is the most important thing for a function, for an event rather, and they are missing bacha. So Abhay, we need to work on this. Okay, the date part also. I hope next time we'll be careful.
Ma'am.
Hmm. Yes, you'll be careful next time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chal, let's see others. Hurry up, I'm waiting for others. Whoever finishes, let me know.
I've posted.
Okay, he has posted. Everybody back on the group now. Stop writing. Let's find mistakes.
Ma'am, this is which question, ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, which question he has done?
First.
He has attempted the first one.
Advertisement.
Situation vacant. Okay. Will you make a box or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which is not possible on the phone. So we are absolutely okay with it. Wanted experienced and creative interior designer for a cafe shop named Pink Par. The designer should have a experience of at least 10 projects. Those interested can contact below mentioned number. Contact below mentioned number. Prepositions में गड़बड़ है. Okay, tell me. I have found two mistakes. Contact owner of Pink Power.
On the below mentioned number.
On the below mentioned number. That preposition is contact at the following number or contact on. There is one more mistake. Tell me. Grammatical mistake.
Ma'am, those who are interested.
No. There is one grammatical mistake. Articles ka. I've given you a clue also.
An experience.
Ma'am,
Yes, an experienced. It should be not a experience. It should be the designer should have an experience. Okay, Dhruv, which is an because it's a vowel, no?
Yes.
Experience.
Okay.
So basically, two grammatical mistakes we got, and then contact Samir. Do not mention this owner of the pink bar. That is not to be mentioned. Simply write contact
It was given,
Samir.
that's why I mentioned.
But you don't mention this. It looks a little awkward. Oh, very good. Otherwise, rest everything is perfect. It's good to go
I
for
have
situation.
posted.
ABC Public School, Delhi. Notice 5th November 2020. Workshop on importance of mental health. This is to inform that workshop is being conducted in our school. Okay. Auditorium for the students of class 11th and 12th on 8th November. On the importance of mental health, the workshop would be conducted by the school counselor and it is compulsory for all the students to attend the workshop. Beta workshop repeat nahi karo. The workshop should be conducted by the school counselor and it is compulsory for all the students to attend it. Any issue related
Okay,
to the
ma'am.
above mentioned workshop? Any issue related to the above mentioned workshop? Matlab?
Should be
ma'am,
query.
any query, ma'am.
For any queries. For any query related to the above mentioned workshop, please contact the undersigned. This is how you should write the sentence.
Ma'am,
Okay?
Okay,
ma'am, he
ma'am.
has
Not
not
like
mentioned
this.
how to
Not like
contact
this.
the.
Contact. Don't write like this, right? For any
Ma'am,
further
Ma'am, I should
queries,
add, ma'am. I should add, ma'am, that time also of the workshop.
beta, that is very important. You have not added the. You given the
and
date,
ma'am,
but you have not added. Venue is
ma'am,
also not there.
and ma'am, how to contact the
Venue, school,
undersigned.
auditorium, I have given.
November. Where is it mentioned? School auditorium. Yes, it is mentioned. Venue and date is given. Time you should have mentioned. And for further queries or for any other queries, please contact the
Excuse me,
undersigned.
ma'am.
Okay,
Hanji
ma'am.
bete. Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, he has not mentioned ma'am, how to contact him. Like ma'am, email or phone number.
It's a school notice, no? It's a school notice.
Ma'am, everyone would know the president of wellness. Sir.
And one more thing, it is not off nahi likhte hain. We simply write Rubin, President Wellness Club or Wellness Cell. Don't write off over here.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
wellness cell below president.
President of Wellness Cell is okay, but not off. So this contact nahi hona chahiye. It should be for further queries. Please contact the undersigned. Then Rubin, President Wellness Cell. So small mistakes we found here also.
Ma'am, can we write ma'am like ma'am Reuben, then one line below president and then below it wellness cell.
No, never. President Wellness Cell. That is your designation. It should be in the second line only. Entire thing should finish there. Reuben, next line, President Wellness Cell. That's the designation of Reuben. Don't utilize 3 lines for this.
Ma'am,
See, we
nobody
got-
ma'am, nobody caught this mistake.
Oh, this we did not see. Let us see. Oh, yes, he has written this. It's very light actually. I could not even read it. Rachel, now I'm seeing. Rachel, President Wellness Club, he has mentioned. Beta, make it in same line. Good, he has not mentioned off. Beta, 3 people wrote and we found something or the other wrong. Now we are waiting. I think Kirat is going to post any minute. She's typing. I've not even come across one which is absolutely correct. Still, the entire year is gone doing the same things. Change the last lines. Hurry up, Shreyansh. We are waiting for Kirat to post. She's typing only.
Mama, I've posted on the group.
Okay, she has also posted. So let's check. Children, come on, start. Find mistakes. Kirat, look at the tense of your first sentence, beta. Just see, read carefully. Some minor problem in the tenses part in the first sentence. Read it carefully.
I also posted. Ma'am, I have also posted.
Ma'am, she has skipped the line.
Beta, first of all, there is some problem in the tenses in the first sentence. Kirat, what is the problem? Tell.
Tenses.
Can anyone else tell? Can we correct the first sentence? Some problem in the tenses?
Ma'am, conducting one.
Haan, beta, the conducting one. There's some problem in the tenses.
It would
Nobody
be.
is able to find?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it would be.
Just see what tense she is using. This is to inform you that our school has taken the initiative of conducting a workshop to raise awareness on the importance of mental health. Acha, theek hai. Oh, sorry. I thought it is had. Then, perfect, beta. It will take place on 10th November. Take place. Workshop will take place. Change this, Kirat. Get a suitable word. Come on, I'm waiting. Others, you can suggest her something. We cannot say the workshop will take place. Workshops never take place. They are conducted, my child.
Ma'am, maybe it will be organized.
Organized, conducted, but not take place. Okay? Chalo. Anything else we can find? Anything else you found, beta?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
No. Rest everything is fine? Good. Very good. Is there somebody else who's posting?
I have
Ma'am,
posted.
one has also posted.
Beta, you find the mistakes.
Ma'am, there are the gaps in line.
Continue, others also.
Ma'am, after the first line, ma'am, she has continued, ma'am, with the second line.
Like, I'm not understanding what you're saying. Abhay, speak again.
Like, ma'am, this is to inform you that school has decided to organize a workshop about the importance of mental health. And ma'am, after health, she has continued with the second line. Hello.
Yes. Anybody else? Anything else? Come
No,
on,
beta
children,
mistake.
hurry up, beta.
Workshop spelling is wrong.
What is wrong?
Workshop spelling.
अच्छा
is it a
चल
mistake?
ठीक है. Others things, see other things.
Ma'am, is it a mistake?
No, you're right, but workshop spelling, I don't know. Is it actually wrong?
No,
Maybe
ma'am, not
by.
workshop spelling. Ma'am, that line one.
हाँ, that's okay, that's okay. But to say आगे भी तो बढ़ो, find something else also.
Okay.
Ma'am, that time only, ma'am.
Ma'am, that wellness
Ma'am,
segment.
like president of wellness cell should come in one line and she has occupied 3.
Exactly, I think the same thing which Abhay had done and we did not notice it that time. That is why I say whenever I discuss others' mistakes, please keep listening because we learn
Yes,
from
ma'am.
mistakes only. So next time I'm sure you people will not do these mistakes. Has everyone posted? Abhay has done, Ananya, Kirat,
What,
Shreyansh,
ma'am? What,
Mansi.
ma'am? Ma'am, last, ma'am, contact the undersigned, ma'am. That what is the mistake there, ma'am?
No. That she's saying that she's taken 3 lines where she's written President Wellness Club. That part she's. Kirat, speak again what you said. I think you did not get it.
Ma'am, wellness cell should come in front of president.
Exactly. Okay. It was used for 3 lines, but then it should be in 2 lines only. Any other mistake, children? Or that's it?
It would not be ma'am, president of wellness cell.
Very good. I just pointed out this mistake. Who had done this mistake? Who had written off? Shreyansh.
Ananya.
No, even Shreyansh has written, if I'm not wrong. Shreyansh, you also wrote off now?
Ma'am, I wrote
I
that.
think Shreyansh or Dhruv. One of you wrote. I don't remember who.
Shreyansh,
And
ma'am.
ma'am, Kirat also.
Chalo Kirat also. Done. Happy? Now tell me, who is left? There's one child who is left. Who is that?
Ma'am, may I confirm something, ma'am?
Yes, please confirm.
Ma'am, then ma'am, in the 7th question first, ma'am, I didn't attend that class in which you discussed this, ma'am. Ma'am, it would be like this only, na, ma'am. Ki we don't write a type of letter in this, ma'am, directly. Dear, thanks for inviting me. Dear, this and this, thanks for
Difference
inviting
between
me.
formal and informal. Difference between
Yes,
formal and
ma'am.
informal
Yes, ma'am.
invitations. Chalo, very quickly, there are 2 main differences. In one, we write our address. In one, we don't write our address. In which one we write our address?
Informal.
Informal. So when you're replying an informal invitation, when you're giving a reply.
Ma'am,
So when you're-
informal or informal?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Informal.
informal
there
or
is also
informal?
Ma'am,
in
in
informal.
space formal or informal?
Should
In
I say not
informal.
formal? Let me say not formal to make it more clear. I
In
think that could be
informal.
better. When you're writing a letter which is not formal. Now I hope I'm clear. When you're writing a letter which is not formal,
There
then
will be like
you will write your address. You will write your address or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And you will use first and second person. First and second person, like, I'm very happy to receive your invitation. I will surely try to come, whatever. I and you, first and second person, the entire thing. But beta, if it is a formal one, okay, then only third person. Like you could say, Mr. Dhruv Khandelwal is honored or amazed to receive your invitation, but he regrets. Okay, he regrets to say that he will not be able to attend the function because of a prior commitment. There is one more difference. You do not give reason.
Reason
If
in
you are
informal.
giving, if you're refusing to come for a
Informal.
In
In the
a
formal one,
in-
we don't wear. In the formal one.
हाँ बेटा, जो फॉर्मल होता है उसमें नहीं देते हैं. लेट मी मेक इट क्लियर बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन इन इनफॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल. जो फॉर्मल वाला होता है उसमें हम रीजन नहीं देते हैं बिकॉज द पीपल आर नॉट नोन टू अस. हम सिंपली ये बोलेंगे कि सॉरी वी कैन नॉट कम बिकॉज वी हैव सम प्रायर एंगेजमेंट और वी हैव सम इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क. बट हम एग्जैक्टली स्पेसिफाई नहीं करेंगे व्हाट इज द वर्क. बट इफ यू आर राइटिंग टू योर फ्रेंड, लाइक अगर आप नॉट फॉर्मल वाला ले रहे हो, देन यू विल स्पेसिफाई that I would love to be there, but I will not be able to come. So you have to give a reason that I have a pre-board on the same day, or I have a cousin's engagement on the same day, ऐसे करके. So tell me very quickly, the class is about to finish in 1 minute. What are the differences, formal and not formal?
Ma'am, in not formal, we do not specify. Ma'am, in we do not write the ma'am, we write the address. In informal, we write the address, and in formal, we do not specify why we are not coming.
Okay, that's nice. 1% more. Can you wind up once again?
In a formal letter, we do not write the address, but in
Good.
an informal letter, we write the address.